This is part 17 of Angular 14 series, and in this session we will learn about Angular material. How do we set up inside the existing project, and also how to use the Angular material icons. So let's get into the code. So now first of all I will open this package.json file, and here you can see no dependencies for Angular material. Okay, so now let's open the browser. I already opened that Angular material. Here is the instructions how to set up, right? So let me and paste it over here. Let's hit enter. Now it is asking me some of the package Angular material 14.2 will be installed. So would you like to proceed? Yes. Now it is asking me which theme would you like to prefer. Maybe first one will be fine. And set up material typography styles, no as of now. And include and enable animation, yes I want. Okay, now that material got successfully installed. See, these are the Angular material and platform browser dynamic that is also installed, because that will help us to add the animation of that Angular material. Now let's save this change, open the browser. Here it is saying like for the custom theme, or you can say in Angular 14 and Angular material 14 version, they are separated, right? The themes, right? So based on their themes you can customize your styles, but here I would like to add this custom theme piece of code mentioned here. So in the root folder only I would like to create material, and I will paste it, and then go to the angular.json file. Already pre-built theme is already added, but let's remove that. And material.scss file. Try to run this application first. Now open the browser, refresh, everything else looks fine. Now let's try to log in. Fine. So now everything is fine. Now next step is now I would like to create one shared module. Inside this share module, create that index.ts file and go to this login module and attach here material module from shared. Okay, let me keep this all this input to this area. What the difference is, mat input, this directive we need to mention here. Now let's save the change. Yeah, something is going wrong. Let's see what is going wrong here. Okay, so mat form field must contain a mat form field control. Material input module is not there. So if I go to the input here, now go to this. Now let's import this part and paste it over here. Now let's save this and go to the browser. Cool, that error has gone, but some styles problem here. So let's remove that. This bootstrap class, I don't want this to be here. Now this is fine. Now one more thing is, label should be inside this mat form field, so that actual styles will come. Now let's cut this and remove this field as well. Now let's save this change and go to the browser. Here I can see now, so the styles animations are coming. Text box it's not full width, right? Just take this, inspect it, and this mat form field. Now with this element I will write one CSS here with 100%. Let's save the change. Okay, now cool. Now it is coming as expected. Okay, now I guess everything is working fine. Now we can use all the features of this Angular material. So only you need to think, just take care whatever module you are going to use, that module to be imported inside this material module, and that should be export, right? So to configure Angular material icons, what my suggestion is to add this CDN link from the Google material and Google fonts. And here instead of, by default, maybe if you search from the Google, by default it would be selected like this material symbols. You just change this with the material icons, and then just for testing purpose, let's see everything is working or not. Paste it over here, just save this. Icon is coming. Okay, so I guess now this way we can use the material icon. That's all for the day. If you have anything doubt or any concern regarding this implementation, please feel free to comment in the comment box so that I can help you properly. So thank you for listening. Have a great day.